What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So got some more tool deals for you guys. These are Home Depot special buys of the day, and looks like they got a bunch of power tools to take a look at. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. All right, guys, so first up, they got the Milwaukee M18 compact drill and impact 2-tool combo kit. This is also going to come with the 23-piece twist bit set. So not too bad. You're going to get your 2 batteries, you get your charger, you get the bag there. And this impact is 16 inch-pounds of max torque. So you'll be able to pick this up for $174.97 on a special buy of the day, coming in at about 30% off on this one. Next up is the DeWalt Atomic 4-tool combo kit. And I've had this on my channel a few times for tool deals. And I've seen this as low as $300 at some Home Depots on their end cap there where they have the clearance. So if you can find that for that $300 price point, that's like a killer deal on that. But for the special buy today, they got it for $349. These are usually about 400 bucks, so like 100 bucks a tool. But these are the Atomic, and then you're going to get the 2.0 amp hour batteries, the charger, and the bag along with it. So not a bad deal, but if you can find it for that $300 price point, that's a steal of a deal. All right, so next up we got the Ryobi 3-tool combo kit. This is going to come with a 4 amp hour battery and a 1.5 amp hour battery. Looks like you're getting the drill, the light, circular saw. You get a little bag there. $119 for this. Now these are not the HP. These are just the Ryobi 1 Plus. So light duty power tools here for your hobbyist, weekend warriors, stuff like that. But not too bad. 119 was $159. Now we got a 10-tool combo kit over here by Ridgid. Got a lot of stuff going on with this kit. Go ahead and click into it for you guys so you can see everything it's coming with. So you get the 1/2-inch drill drive, you get the 1/4-inch impact driver, reciprocating saw, the compact blower, oscillating multi-tool, 6.5-inch circular saw, compact hand vac, random orbit sander, the inflator, you get the light, get a couple 2.0 amp hour batteries, a 4.0 amp hour battery, charger, and then 2 tool bags. Be able to pick this up today for $549, saving 18%. Usually it's $667, but not a bad deal. You guys want to just grab a bunch of tools at one time, be able to pick up this 10-tool combo kit. Next up, we got another M18 deal here. This is the 2-tool combo kit, and then they're gonna throw in an extra 2.0 amp hour battery. Be able to pick this up for $229, saving 69 bucks on this one. Here's the M18 whole hog, 7/16 inch right angle drill. And then I got the hacksaw. This is the fuel hacksaw. So both of these are going to be fuel. $269 for this one, saving 43%. Doesn't look like this comes with any batteries. Just tools only on this one. Over here we got the M18 Sawzall kit. So you'll be able to pick up the fuel reciprocating saw. You're going to get a 5.0 amp hour battery, the charger, which is a dual charger, the M18 and the M12, a carrying case, and then they're going to throw in the 1/2-inch hammer drill with that one. $309 for this special buy. We got an M12 deal here. This is the reciprocating saw kit, and then you're going to get also the 3/8-inch ratchet. You get a 6.0 amp hour battery, and then I think this is the 1.5 amp hour battery here. So you get 2 1.5 amp hour batteries and then a 6.0 amp hour battery with this kit, charger, and the bag. $269. Next up is the M18 fuel 7.25 inch circular saw kit, and then you get the M18 fuel hammer drill with this kit, plus a 12 amp hour battery, the charger. You get the contractor bag, of course. $409 for this one, saving $239. Another M12 deal here. We got the 1/2-inch impact wrench kit with 1/2-inch right angle impact wrench. Throwing in a bunch of batteries here. So you get the stubby, get the right angle impact wrench, a 2.0 amp hour battery, 4.0 amp hour battery, 2.5 amp hour battery, a 5.0 amp hour battery, the charger, and carrying case. So a bunch of stuff here for $74.99. All right, so next up we got the M18 Fuel 1-inch SDS rotary hammer with the dust kit, and then the 1/2-inch impact wrench, $649 for this one. And this is going to come with two 6 amp hour batteries, $649 for this one. Right next to that, they got the same deal, but this one's going to be 1 1/8 inch SDS rotary hammer. This one's going to come in at $709. Next, they got the M18 Fuel Deep Cut bandsaw. This is going to come with the 2 of the 5.0 amp hour batteries, and then the hammer drill, $599 for this. Both fuel tools. Be able to pick this up today, 31% off. Then I got another deep cut bandsaw kit. With this time, it's going to be with the fuel angle grinder, $599 for this one, and you're also going to get the 5.0 amp hour batteries, 2 of those. Then over here, they got the M18 Fuel 4.5 inch, 6-inch grinder with paddle switch. This is going to be the kit also. You'll be able to get 2 of the 6.0 amp hour batteries with this, and then they're going to throw in the 1/2-inch hammer drill for $69. Next up, we got the M18 Fuel 4.5 inch grinder kit with paddle switch. This is going to come with 3 6 amp hour batteries, the charger, and then the contractor's bag. $429 for this, saving 39%. Next up, we got some Ridgid power tools here. We got the 18-volt 4.0 amp hour battery, and then the 2 amp hour battery. And they're throwing in a free 175 watt power inverter with this one. These are pretty cool. Charge your phone, stuff like that. $129 for this one. Savings of 55%. Here's another Ridgid deal. They got the 18-volt subcompact 2-tool combo kit. It's going to come with a 3/8 inch impact wrench and a 1/2 inch impact wrench. And they're throwing in a 4.0 amp hour battery, $199 for this one. All right, so here's the Ridgid 6-tool combo kit. You're going to get 6 tools, but only 1 battery with this kit, coming in at $279. They're throwing in the drill, the impact, the light, the hand vac, 6.5 inch circular saw, and then it looks like the Bluetooth radio, $279 for this deal. Here's another Ridgid tool deal here. You get the 2-tool combo kit with matte light. So you get the digital inflator, you can get the shop vac, you're going to get a 2 amp hour battery, the light, charger for $169. And I actually own this inflator, really nice inflator. Next up is the Ridgid 18-volt brushless 2-tool combo kit. You get the 7.25 inch rear handle circular saw, and then they're throwing in the 18-gauge brad nailer. Tools only for this one, $329. Total savings of 25%. Another Ridgid subcompact 2-tool combo kit, 3/8 inch impact wrench, 1/2 inch impact wrench, tools only, and they're throwing in the protective boots, $179 for this deal. All right, next up we got the Ridgid 3/8 inch ratchet kit. This is going to come with the charger, 2 amp hour battery, and then you get a little carry case there, $149 for this one. You threw in the Tuxedo 2-post car lift. This 9,000 pound capacity on this one was $33.99, saving $300 on this one, down to $3,099. A little random throw in there. And then they got the DeWalt Atomic 1/2 inch drill a driver with 2 1.3 amp hour batteries, charger in the bag for $119. And then over here to the far right, we got the M18 hacksaw with a M18 starter kit. So you're getting a 5 amp hour battery and charger with this one for $159. Got the M18 Fuel reciprocating saw down here with the 6.0 amp hour battery, and it looks like they're throwing in another 6 amp hour battery with this one. Nope, looks like you're gonna get a 5 amp hour battery and a 6 amp hour battery with this Sawzall kit. Carrying case, the charger, $309 for this one. Here's the M12 hacksaw. This is the fuel. And it's going to come with one CP 2.5 amp hour battery, $129 for this pickup. Next up, we got the M18 Fuel Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit with an extra 6 amp hour battery. So you're going to get the 5 amp hour battery, the 6 amp hour battery. You can get some sanding sheet, sanding pad there, wood cutting blade, contractor's bag, and then the multi-charger, $309 for this pickup. Here's the M12 stubby 1/2 inch impact wrench kit. Then they're throwing in the high output 5 amp hour battery with this one. You're also going to get the 2 amp hour battery and the 4 amp hour battery. The charger, of course, in the case, $2.99 for this deal. Then they also got the 3/8 inch impact wrench here. Same deal, they got the 2 amp hour, the 4 amp hour, and the 5 amp hour. $2.99 for the 3/8 inch stubby impact wrench kit. Next up, they got the M18 Fuel 1 key, 1 3/4 inch rotary hammer kit with the 6 amp hour battery. So it looks like you're going to get 2 of the 12 amp hour batteries, and they're throwing in a 6 amp hour battery. $8.79 for this one. Next up is the M18 Fuel 1 9/16 SDS rotary hammer kit with a 6 amp hour battery, and then you're getting 2 of the 8.0 amp hour batteries. $7.49 for this deal. All right, next up is some more M12 tools. You got the M12 1000 lumen rover light, and then you get the treble light, tools only, so 2 lights in this deal. M12's $99 for this. Got the Ridgid 18 volt multi-tool with 2 amp hour battery. You're getting a 14-piece blade accessory kit with this one, $139. Then over here you're getting the Ridgid 1/4 inch impact driver, tool only, $49 for this one. And then they got the 18 volt brushless 4-mode 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench kit with a 4 amp hour battery, charger, and then it looks like they might be throwing in another free 4 amp hour battery. $249 for this deal. And then the impact wrench is 13 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. Next up, they got the Ridgid 18 volt brushless 7 1/4 inch rear handle circular saw, tool only for this one, $199. Total savings of $40. They also got the Ridgid reciprocating saw, tool only for $59. And then they got a couple more of the ratchet kits here. This one's the 1/4 inch ratchet kit that comes with the 2 amp hour battery, charger, and the bag for $149. And then they got the 1/2 inch ratchet kit. Same thing, 2 amp hour battery and charger and bag for $169. Next up, they got the Atomic 20 volt max 1/4 inch impact driver, 2 1.3 amp hour batteries, charger in the bag, $119. And then they got the Ryobi 18 volt glue gun kit, comes with a 1.5 amp hour battery and charger, $39.97. They got some more Tuxedo. Looks like this is the car rotator for $14.49. And then they got the 9000 2-post lift for, I think we already went over this one, so this is a repeat if I'm not mistaken, but this one's $3,099. Some more Milwaukee tools here. You got the M18 Fuel 1/2 inch hammer drill driver. Looks like you're going to get a couple batteries. You get the 5 amp hour battery and the 2 amp hour battery with the charger, $189 for this deal. Next up, they got the M18 multi-tool with one 5.0 amp hour battery and a 2.0 amp hour battery for $189. And then they also have the 1/4 inch sheet sander with the 5 amp hour battery and 2 amp hour battery and charger for $189. And then all the way to the right here, the M18 Gen 2 4000 lumen floodlight with a 5.0 and a 2.0 amp hour battery for $189 also. Alright guys, so that's about it for all the power tool special buys of the day at Home Depot for today. Go ahead and put this video out so you guys can take a look at it and see if you guys can find any deals that you might be interested in. They also do have some hand tools going on, up to 50% off select hand tools. They got some Milwaukee mechanic tool sets here. They got the 3-piece 153-piece set for $379. They got the DeWalt 85-piece kit here for $119. They got some more mechanic sets here, 1/2 inch for $179, a 47-piece. 106-piece over here, that's a 3/8 and 1/4 inch for $199. If you guys are interested in some hand tools, you might want to check out Home Depot's website also for those. Looks like they got a bunch of stuff going on for that. But I just want to put this video out there. If you guys are interested in the power tools or any hand tools, you can go to their website and check out more of their deals. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, smash the like button. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. If you like deal videos like this, Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I'll talk to you later.